Welcome to the Mamelodi Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.mamelodi10shopi.co.za. This is Mamelodi Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Brother, how's it?
Good and you, sir?
Good, man. What's your take on the game tonight?
Today I'm quite disappointed with the Kaizer Chiefs coach. I mean, you as a Kaizer Chiefs supporter, you know those substitutions were quite horrible. I've seen many supporters coming here and speak as if everything was okay. Nothing was okay.
Yeah.
The problem we have as Kaizer Chiefs, we don't face reality. Sundowns was playing horrible football. We should have beaten Sundowns. They know themselves. We should have beaten them. And coming to the second leg, we are not going to beat them if we are going to play like that.
Same, yeah.
That's why Sundowns they are happy inside them because they know that we got away with that. They were not supposed to win at all, to draw. At all. How do you replace your Lihle Phili, your most offensive player in the game, including Muthetwa? We only had two players who were playing proper.
Offensively, exactly, yeah.
Muthetwa and Lihle Phili. The rest were horrible.
Yeah.
You don't read profiles of players. How do you play Batman as a false nine? Like, what were you trying to achieve?
Yeah.
Are you that scared of Sundowns that you play three middle fielders, Ndlovu, Mabuye?
Yeah.
You play also who's this? Muthetwa.
Yeah.
Mabuye and Muthetwa, Ndlovu and Muthetwa play the same style of football.
Yeah.
What are you scared of? Sundowns is tired. Sundowns was horribly tired. They were quite happy when we replaced Lihle Phili because they knew that we removed a catalyst, someone who was giving them problems.
Yeah,
that's why you saw Sundowns started playing more in that same position, that side that Lihle Phili was playing.
Exactly.
Chislett offered us nothing. Nothing. So it's quite very painful that the coach can't read the game. That was a very easy game. We could have won that game easily so.
Yeah.
But moving forward, I believe that the coach must just read the game properly. He's quite a good coach, I believe. However, just read the game properly. Nothing much. Just read the game.
Yeah.
Put proper replacement. That guy, who's that guy from
Adolf.
What's his name? Tasingwa. He's horrible. He's not. Sorry to say this. I don't want to bash Kaizer Chiefs players because I'm also a Kaizer Chiefs supporter. But he's not our material, to be quite honest. He offers us nothing. You know, I would have brought in maybe your Mdushabalala or Vilekas just to shake Sundowns defense, because the Sundowns were horrible. They will tell you, if they are honest with you, that today we didn't play well. Sundowns didn't play well. However, once we replaced Lihle Phili, that's when Sundowns started playing. They saw that side was weak. Chislett offered us nothing. But moving forward, coach, please read the game. As simple as that. You know, we had a coach called Solinas. That coach, if he was coaching this type of Kaizer Chiefs, was going to win. I'm telling you, he was going to win the league. That guy, his only mistake was that he couldn't defend because he didn't have proper defensive players. Yeah. But he attacked from the first minute until the end. However, because he didn't have defenders, that was his only downfall. But I believe Cruz will if he reads the game properly, he will maybe take us to position 2, because I'm not quite convinced that he can win us the league, because we don't have the type of players. Looking at our defense, you lose a player like Msimango, then you rely on Quinika. And who's this guy? Miguel. Those are just players, aesthetic players. They don't play. They are not. Let's be honest, as Kaizer Chiefs supporters, those defenders are not football players at all.
And you also lost to McCarthy.
Proper players who know how to play the ball. Quinika and Miguel will give you nothing. Let's be honest, as Kaizer Chiefs players, not as supporters. Let's not lie about ourselves. I'm a Man United supporter as well, so I know pain. You know.
You're used to pain.
I'm used to pain. The only thing that I don't like with Kaizer Chiefs, they don't like buying proper players. They like these free agents who will just give you those moments, you know. They don't try. Just try. Buy us proper players, man. Kaizer Chiefs is a very big brand for us to be buying free agents and players. I'm quite disappointed today. Like Sundowns was supposed to be beaten today. Sundowns, they know themselves that they're tired. They were supposed to be moored properly. They know themselves. They'll tell you that Chiefs was supposed to beat us, but they saw that when we removed your Langelike Piri, they was like, what are these guys doing? Yeah. We are gonna moor them now. Exactly. So they were pound to pound, non-stop from the minute that they removed Langelike Piri, they start attacking. They started attacking non-stop. So please, coach, read the game. Read the game, please. Play like Solinas. Attack. If it means that we must lose, let's lose. Let's lose the game. Attack. We have nothing to lose. We have been winning the league for so long that we can say that we are title contenders. We don't have time. Let's just attack. Yes.
Attack.
Attack.
Thanks, my brother.